Connect power supply and air supply. Place tire with bead brake to the side at rim's smallest diameter. Move titting arm backward. Open clamp to a position larger than rim diameter. Step pedal twice to clamp rim tightly. Press tire with pressing disc. Rotate the turntable to detach the bead from the rim. Lubricate tire and rim. Lock the mounting head above rim 2 to 3 mm to it. Insert lever into tire, then move away pressing disc. Move the bead opposite to the mounting head. Press tire with bead brake to the side at rim diameter. Raise tire with lever above the mounting head. Rotate the turntable, fully detach the bead from the rim. Raise tire with a big pressing disc. Detach the other side. Lubricate tire and rim. Press the head behind the mounting head. Adjust the bead brake. Place tire to the side at rim's smallest diameter. Move bead brake. Rotate tire with turntable. Mount tire fully. In-flight tire.